founded from 2014 year, and we have almost 10 years now, and we will introduce our products. We are mainly for delivery robot and wheelchair delivery robot, and also for the factory delivery robot. Also for the cleaning robot, it's mainly for window robot and vacuum cleaner robot. Now I'll show you. This is our hot model combination 1.9. It has 5,000 power function and 6,000 power function available. And also for this one is our new washer cleaner. This is our new delivery robot. It has the big advertising screen. It can be remoting, and also there are 4 layers, and the layer can be removable, and also for the battery it can be replacement. Yeah, and also it can be charging automatically, and also it is very cute appearance. Besides that, we also have education robot. This is mainly for research and development. Yeah, especially for some universities. And also we have a huge program education robot.
Anseboo Robot is located in China's Science and Technology Innovation City, Shenzhen. As an AI robot company, it has an experienced technology team to develop and produce AI robot home cleaning robots. The main application scenarios are for restaurants, hotels, factories, supermarkets, shopping malls, and exhibitions. A variety of products respond to and solve the use needs in different scenarios. Let robots spread all over the world, and hope that robots will make life smarter. We have customers in more than 60 countries around the world, and 1,000 customer use cases. The robots sell well in the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, Germany, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, South Korea, Japan, UAE, and other countries. Currently has multiple agents and distribution channels. We have an excellent sales team and have accumulated numerous customer cases and successful cooperation experience. As a manufacturer of AI robots, we have a professional QC team to strictly control quality and an efficient after-sales service team to provide customers